During testing, we found the weapon comfortable and extremely stable when firing. The hydraulic buffer gives a steady rate of fire and reduces recoil. It also reduces the effects of variations in ammunition, climactic conditions, and the use of a sound suppressor. The gas-operated mechanism with the short-stroke piston used in the FN EVOLYS stops firing residues from reaching the moving parts. This greatly reduces the risk of stoppages. Intensive firing with the sound suppressor showed no reduction in performance. That's because the weapon was designed from the start to avoid negative effects of back pressure caused by a sound suppressor. There's no fouling and no debris projected towards the user, even for left-handers. Other advantages are that the FN EVOLYS fires from an open bolt and has an anti-runaway mechanism. This helps ensure user safety.
Comfortable to shoot, stable, safe. Christophe, what are the other innovations on the FN EVOLYS that most impressed the demonstrators?
One of the big benefits of this weapon is the long top rail. It allows users to attach and combine different types of optical sights freely and inline, day and night sights, magnifiers, as well as laser aiming modules. All this can be done without removing the iron sights.
This means that the weapon architecture must be completely different.
Yes, current machine guns either have a very short rail or rails in several sections. Here, the one-piece long top rail made it necessary to adopt a lateral feed system, which is an innovation and has been patented.
And clearly, these innovations in the architecture of the weapon made possible a number of other concrete improvements that are greatly desired by users.
Yes, indeed. For left- and right-handed users, it must be easy to use. All actions can be done with just one hand. The ammunition can be either a free belt or in the pouches used on the FN Minimi. If the belt is incorrectly positioned on the feed tray, it will be automatically pushed into the correct position when the feed cover is closed. Also, when the last round is fired, the last link is ejected. This makes reloading faster and more reliable.
Now, let's see how these innovations actually affect the handling of the FN EVOLYS based on the experience of Frederick Kay, another FN technical expert.
The FN EVOLYS machine gun's size, weight, and flexibility are similar to an assault rifle. This is exactly what is needed for current and future operations. Its reduced weight and excellent balance mean that the weapon can be fired from any position. Transitioning from one position to another is made easy by the design of the sling attachment interface. The ambidextrous fire selector has a semi-auto position to engage point targets as with a rifle. The full auto position allows suppressive fire as with a machine gun. Loading the belt is instinctive and fast for both right-handed and left-handed shooters. Finally, the butt is adjustable in length and height. Whatever his size or the equipment he is wearing, the user can always find a comfortable shooting position.